In today's urban living spaces where every square foot counts, the demand for efficient and space-saving appliances is on the rise. Among these, the compact washer stands out as a champion of convenience for individuals, small families, apartment dwellers, and anyone looking to optimize their laundry setup without sacrificing cleaning power. These smaller yet mighty machines prove that you don't need a sprawling laundry room to achieve fresh, clean clothes. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best compact washers and their key feature, as plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Bosch 300 Series 24-inch front-load washer. The 23.5-inch Bosch compact washing machine offers a slim profile with impressive performance, making it a strong contender in the compact laundry category. Its fast wash cycles, some as short as 30 minutes, are ideal for busy households, and the integrated spin feature helps extract excess water from clothes, reducing drying time. This is especially helpful when paired with a compact, ventless dryer, which typically dries more slowly than traditional vented models. This Bosch model earns strong recommendations from our competitors, and we agree that it has a lot to offer. However, one significant caveat may be a deal-breaker for some buyers. It's a European import and comes with a 240-volt NEMA 615 plug. This is not compatible with standard US 120-volt outlets. To use this machine, you'll either need to purchase a plug adapter or consider rewiring your laundry space for 240V power. In either case, it's essential to consult a qualified electrician to ensure the setup is both safe and code compliant. We've had positive experiences with Bosch appliances overall, and we believe this washer could be a great fit for those seeking a compact solution that still delivers on performance. Its high-speed spin function is particularly useful when working with slower, ventless dryers. Still, it's important to factor in the added costs and logistics of dealing with a non-standard power connection. With the right setup and planning, this machine can be a smart, space-saving choice, but it's not plug-and-play for most US homes. Number 4. LG WM1455HWA. The LG high-efficiency, stackable washer has earned a strong reputation among Best Buy shoppers, especially those looking for a compact but powerful laundry solution. With a 2.4 cubic foot capacity, this washer is ideal for apartments, small laundry rooms, or homes where space is at a premium. Measuring just 22.25 inches in depth, it fits into tight spots with ease and can be stacked with a compatible dryer to maximize vertical space. Despite its compact size, this LG washer is packed with smart features. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control wash cycles directly from your smartphone using the LG ThinQ app. The machine also includes a steam cleaning function, which helps to remove tough stains and allergens from clothing while being gentle on fabrics. Users consistently report that the washer performs well, delivering thorough cleaning results even on larger loads relative to its size. Another frequently mentioned benefit is how quiet the machine is during operation, a major plus for those living in apartments or open-concept homes. Installation is also noted as being straightforward, with many customers finding it easy to set up without the need for professional help. However, it's not entirely without its downsides. One of the most common complaints is related to the user manuals provided. Many buyers have found them lacking in detail, making it difficult to understand advanced features or troubleshoot issues. As a result, users often turn to online forums or instructional videos to fill in the gaps. Overall, this LG washer is a well-rounded choice for anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich, and space-saving appliance. Just be prepared to look online for more detailed guidance during setup or if you run into problems. Number 3. Samsung WW25B6900AW. This modern compact washing machine embraces the future of home appliances by offering a blend of smart features, AI integration, and high efficiency. Designed with limited space in mind, it doesn't compromise on performance, making it ideal for apartments or smaller laundry areas. One of its standout features is the AI-powered functionality. This isn't just a gimmick. The machine uses machine learning to study and adapt to your laundry habits over time. It learns your most frequently used cycles, preferred settings, and even suggests optimal configurations for your loads, offering both convenience and time savings. In terms of performance, the washer includes a fast 30-minute wash option, allowing for quick turnarounds when you're in a hurry. Despite the speed, cleaning quality remains strong, thanks in part to its steam cleaning capabilities. Steam not only helps remove stubborn stains and deep-seated dirt, but also helps reduce wrinkles, a huge plus if you dislike ironing. Smart connectivity is another key benefit. Once connected to your smartphone via the dedicated app, you'll receive real-time alerts, be able to start or pause cycles remotely, and even get maintenance notifications to ensure long-term performance. This level of integration makes the laundry process more flexible and less of a chore. On the eco front, this washer is ENERGY STAR certified and was even named Most Efficient in 2024, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious users. It's designed to use less water and energy without compromising washing power. The only downside worth noting is that a few customer reviews have mentioned quality control issues. Some units arrived with minor defects. However, these reports appear to be infrequent and not widespread. Overall, if you're looking for a feature-rich compact washer that keeps pace with full-size models, this is a compelling option. Number 2. GE GFW148S SMWW. The GE GFW148S SMWW is a reliable and efficient compact front-load washing machine that stands out in a market where size constraints often come with compromises. Designed for smaller living spaces like apartments, condos, or tight laundry closets, this model provides a practical balance between performance and convenience. While it doesn't boast cutting-edge features or lightning-fast wash times, it does a commendable job at delivering solid cleaning power in a compact footprint. With a 2.4 cubic foot capacity, it's well suited for small households or individuals who don't need to wash large loads at once. One of the main drawbacks of this model is its longer cycle times, a trait that's not unusual in the compact washer category. While it may not be ideal for those in a rush, the extended washing duration is often a trade-off. Consumers are willing to accept for the benefit of space savings. Fortunately, the machine's performance makes up for it. Clothes come out clean, and its energy efficiency is a bonus for those looking to reduce utility bills. Where the GFW148S SMWW really makes its case is in value. Though compact washers generally come at a higher cost per cubic foot than full-size models, this GE unit offers a reasonable price-to-performance ratio within its class. It includes essential features such as a stainless steel drum, a variety of wash cycles, and quiet operation, making it a practical option for urban dwellers or anyone short on space. Ultimately, if you're limited in laundry room space and need a trustworthy washer that won't break the bank, the GE GFW148S SMWW is a solid contender. While not perfect, its reliable cleaning ability and compact form make it a worthwhile investment for the right type of buyer. Number 1. Miele WXR860 WCS. If you're searching for a compact washer that offers powerful cleaning without taking up much space, the Miele WXR860 WCS is an exceptional choice. It brings the performance of a full-size washing machine into a smaller, apartment-friendly footprint. This makes it ideal for homes with limited space, where you don't want to compromise on laundry quality. One of the most impressive features is its high-speed spin cycle, which extracts more water from clothes than many larger machines. As a result, your dryer won't need to work as hard, saving both time and energy. This contributes to lower utility bills over time, which helps offset the machine's upfront cost. Speaking of cost, the Miele W1 is one of the pricier compact washers on the market. However, you're paying for more than just size and cleaning power. Miele's build quality is among the best, and the W1 includes thoughtful features like smart connectivity, customized wash programs, and a sleek, intuitive interface. The machine is designed to last for years, making it a solid investment for those seeking long-term reliability. In short, the Miele W1 WXR860 WCS is a premium compact washer that doesn't cut corners. While it comes with a higher price tag, the superior cleaning performance, space-saving design, and advanced features make it well worth the cost for those who value quality and efficiency. For anyone in need of a top-performing washer that fits into tight spaces, this model stands out as the best compact option available today. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon so you never miss our latest updates.